Hey guys, Jill from Excel Wellness Continuing Education here. So love this time of year because I get to reach out to all my Fit Pro friends and tell you about our next workshop that's coming. So without further ado, Saturday, October 27th, I'm bringing in RAD Roller, and the course is called Assessments and Intervention Techniques for Pain-Free Movement. So RAD Roller, if you haven't heard of them, you should check them out. But this will be an equipment-based workshop. With your registration, you're gonna get the RAD Rod and the RAD Roller. Really great stuff. We've been using it here at Excel. This isn't your normal equipment-based or myofascial released workshop. This is so much more. A lot of times we go to equipment-based workshops and we've got a really cool tool that we're learning and working with, and we learn a bunch of sexy new exercises, but that's about it, right? These guys are taking a totally different approach, and I'm so impressed with their education. They really want to target a more educated trainer, a higher level Fit Pro, and it fits really well if any of you have been through the FMS certification or some of the CS, the corrective stuff. This ties hand in hand with their type of an approach. They are more of an assess and then address. It's not about chasing the pain, where in a lot of the myofascial courses, we're learning how to treat or work on a specific area where the pain is. This is really about breaking down your client's posture and what's going on and learning how to tackle that. So we're gonna leave, understanding the fascial lines better. We're gonna dive into that. There's, a fair amount of anatomy, but don't let that scare you. They have a way of presenting it to you that you'll be able to understand and apply. So we're going to assess muscle and fascia, stability and mobility, movement patterns, and then learn how to design that into self-myofascial release techniques. You're going to leave being able to improve your client's strength, their power output, mobility recovery, and risk of injury, and so much more. And the cool thing is I've got 2 presenters coming to help with this, so there's gonna be tons of hands-on. You're gonna get help. You're gonna leave knowing what you need to. For any of you that attended Dr. Emily previously, RAD Roller was there with all of their equipment. They had their all-in-one kits there, which they'll be bringing back. But Nick was at that course. He'll be coming back to present, as will Roy, their Director of Education. Both of these guys have outstanding bios, so be sure to check out their knowledge. Those are on the website. But need to knows right now, this comes with your registration, so you'll leave with these 2 tools, the RAD Rod and the RAD Roller. This is what we'll be using all day. So these are $65 retail value. Registration, early bird, I'm starting super early now, and it goes until September 7th, is $199. So let me tell you what you get with this, because this is kind of unheard of. RAD Roller, they do certifications. So I'm gonna have them come in and teach the information out of their level 1 mobility certification. So we're gonna spend the 6-hour content doing that. And then I've asked them to stay for 2 more hours and to do an upper body, assessment and practical, and a lower body. And you're gonna leave that day with 0.8 CEUs for ACE and NASM without the certification. As a bonus, if you want to go online after the course and get certified and take their exam, that's included, and you'll get additional 0.4 CEUs for completing that exam. And you will get online access. Everyone will get it before this workshop even. So it's your choice to take the exam and get certified and earn more CEUs or not. So really great options, $65 worth of retail equipment included. It's gonna be a great day. Read on for more info. I'll be sharing more throughout the next few months. Reach out if you have questions or a group, and I hope to see you all in October.